The coronavirus cases are rising. The second wave is deadly. The states have made RT-PCR tests mandatory. First up, Delhi. Who is going to be needing the RT-PCR test? People who are coming in from Maharashtra. Maharashtra's got the highest number of cases in Maharashtra. People coming in from Gujarat, Delhi, Goa, Rajasthan and Kerala will have to get a negative RT-PCR to enter the state. Karnataka, you've got people coming in from Maharashtra, Kerala, Punjab and Chandigarh. These states will require to show a negative RT-PCR upon arriving in Karnataka. Madhya Pradesh, you will only get entry if you are negative with your RT-PCR test and you're coming in from Maharashtra. So people coming in from Maharashtra, that's the big one. Gujarat, who will need to test? Mandatory test for all coming from every other state possible. Doesn't matter which state you're coming from. In Rajasthan, mandatory COVID RT-PCR test required for all those who are coming in from other states. So whichever state you're coming from, you will require. In Assam, people coming in from Maharashtra, Bengaluru and rather Bengaluru is in Karnataka. So people coming in from Maharashtra and Karnataka would require an RT-PCR test. In Odisha, people coming in from Maharashtra and Karnataka, which is Bengaluru and Karnataka, would require a negative RT-PCR. In Uttarakhand, people who are coming in from Maharashtra, Kerala, Punjab and Karnataka will require a negative RT-PCR test. Even if you're coming in from Chhattisgarh, MP, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Haryana, UP, Delhi, Rajasthan, you will need to show an RT-PCR test which is negative. As far as Himachal Pradesh is concerned, people coming in from Punjab, Delhi, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh will have to show negative RT-PCR test. If you're going to Kashmir, then there is mandatory negative RT-PCR test required for all those who are coming from every other state in the country. So that's the states and their directives coming out as far as who needs to get an RT-PCR test and show it upon arrival in the states. Maharashtra, the worst impacted state, is now waiting for the big question to be answered. Lockdown or no lockdown? Maharashtra has reported single-day spike with 63,294 new cases, 349 new cases in 24 hours, taking the active caseload in Maharashtra to over 5,65,500. Amidst these rising number of cases and series of meetings being chaired by Chief Minister, a meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister is also scheduled for today. A cabinet meeting is also going to be chaired on Wednesday by the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray to seal this decision. The government, after having multiple rounds of discussions with the task force and all the parties, is also mulling to provide certain facilities in all the districts to curb the COVID spread. This includes liquid oxygen plant in each district, restricting the number of attendees in funerals amidst many others. Meanwhile, Mumbai alone has reported 9,989 new cases with 58 deaths in 24 hours. The maximum city's active caseload now stands at 92,464 with a total of 877 buildings sealed in the city. Mustafa is now joining us. Mustafa, before we come to the big question of lockdown or no lockdown, and that is something we'll get to know once the Chief Minister makes a decision. Right now, there is no decision. Why don't you tell our viewers about the situation as it stands in Mumbai with a rising number of COVID cases? Mumbai seems to be on fire. The number of cases are just rising and rising. What A is the reason for this? And B, what about the healthcare infrastructure? Is it overburdened or is it about to be hitting its peak? What's going on right there?
Well, Chaiti, more than the rising number of cases in Mumbai, the rising number of COVID deaths is something which is a very concerning part. Because yesterday there were 79 deaths reported. Before that there were 50 deaths reported. So the fatalities have now started increasing due to the COVID cases rising. The second wave has hit in. There is no doubt about it. The rate at which infection is spreading is almost anybody in any family in the city you can ask. They must be in their family or knowing somebody who is COVID positive or who is under isolation. What about the hospital beds? Of course, if the number of cases every day is coming about 9,000 and there are even 2% to 3% of people daily who require hospital beds among those who are testing positive, which is a rate of increasing 200 and 300 bed requirement in a day. Any city with any health infrastructure will find it difficult to accommodate these many new patients in a day and discharging the others who are already admitted. So that is the reason, looking at the situation, the main reason for putting a lockdown, strict lockdown in Maharashtra is that the health infrastructure has reached its peak. It's crumbling. The doctors are also tired. There is a huge stress on the medical staff. So these things are to be considered. In the coming days, the cases doesn't seem that it will be decreasing. There will be some relaxation because there was a lockdown on the weekend. So in the coming next 1 or 2 days, we can see a decrease in cases, but a substantial decrease will only happen with full lockdown. Back to you.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Mustafa, for getting our viewers up to speed with the very latest as far as the COVID crisis in Mumbai is concerned.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.